Very well then. So henceforth, I would be recording this. So again, just for the sake of recording, as we discussed, the assignment you will have choice. You have to do one out of three. So there are three assignments. You have to do any one of them, whichever you feel like. You read the problem statement and you get a feel of the data set, and you move ahead with that. However, analysis you can take forward anytime. But by end of tomorrow, I will need to know which one you are doing perfect. And trust me, it is for your own good. पता लगा आप 3 दिन तक you are confused that which one to do, and then there is very little time left. पता लगा एक उठाया थोड़ा सा किया उसके बाद लगा नहीं कुछ और करके देख लेते हैं. So just to avoid that, okay, take some time, skim through the problem statement, go through the data set, and make up your mind, and then inform me which one you are going on. Fair enough. So that's for fun. You will submit it by Friday. So today you will receive the data sets and everything. Today you are, I mean, you can start off today itself. By tomorrow end of the day, it should be you should be sure which one you are going to submit. Don't change your mind time and again. Okay, so settle it for once and be done with this. So deadline is this coming Friday. What's the date? Is it Friday the 13th? No, 11th. Thankfully. 9 by 11 for you guys. The date should not change. Getting the idea? You will submit your submission by mail. So that is very obvious. I will decide by the time I receive the mail. So don't tell me later on that connection glitched, this happened, that happened, what happened. Submit well in time. Don't wait for the last moment. In case it happens, I'll tell you what comes next. Perhaps earlier also I discussed, if you are well in time, your assignment is worth 100 marks. And then there is your mock, viva, interview, whatever you want to call, that would be worth 25 marks. There is 25% penalty in case you default on deadlines. So do it properly. So if you are post deadline, maybe you have done it wonderfully. If you were to be graded out of 100, you would be graded out of 80. Mock has nothing to do so far. Mock would be towards Friday when you would be submitting around submission, when you are done with your project, I'm sure you would be starting and doing somewhere. So in between somewhere, so maybe Thursday, maybe Wednesday, maybe Saturday. So it may be 1 or 2 days plus or minus. Thoda bahut. Okay. Any question? Any clarity you need on something? It's not 80, it's 75. 25% penalty it is. And trust me, I would do a little help if, in case, in case you miss deadlines because the external faculties are involved and governance team is involved and the submissions, I have to publish everything. Okay, Damini is in law loop and Mumbai governance, they will be in the loop. So everybody is there. So, there is really no scope to falter here. Any questions so far? Or shall we discuss your assignments? Should we go ahead? One of the assignments is a real estate price prediction. It is a data of some properties and various attributes of those properties. There is data description. A detailed data description is there. Okay, so these are several variables, and I think this is a um, moderate data. So we'll get the feel of this problem statement by reading it and check out the data, or whether you want to pursue this one. So it is price prediction problem. Well, another problem would be you have kind of been through one such problem. We have discussed these kind of problems umpteen number of times. It is a problem of employee attrition. There is an organization, they have certain employees, and they are seeing attrition rate is there. Well, they are having these employees' data, they record this data. Okay. So all in all, explanatory. So they have various data sets about those employees, and it is kind of the data that you read in your SQL session. A data set is coming from HR, another comes from admin, another comes from managers, and that kind of data set you will have. Finally, you want to find out why they are at, why the employee is leaving this organization. Can we do something about it? Can we predict before time? That kind of problem. Then there is another data set again, which is well, many times we have discussed these kind of problems. I have taken examples of, because these problems are very close to me. I have been through them hands on. It is about credit default. It is not about predicting actually. So there is an organization, say it is an organization, they have provided you with the data, right? Company profile, what is the problem statement of they are having. They are not asking you to predict something that whether the kind of default or non-default. They are asking you to segment them. They want you to create pools of customers, those who have similar what do we call it, affinity is the right word, those who have similar tendency for repayment of their loan. So some will be wanting to be very much on time, somebody would be casual, default or non-default kya farak padta hai. Somebody would be with a very mean intensity, mean intention that we will try to avoid repaying at all. So that kind of problem state. You are getting the idea? Boosting algorithms come along in Python Siddharth. Okay, fair enough. I have sent you a mail. Just check everybody and please confirm that everybody has received. You will receive a mail just in a few moments, if not already. Here, so it contains the three links, one link each for one assessment. So maybe you can download all, and go through all. That doesn't harm anyway, and that is where the real choice lies. Choose one, decide which one you would you pursue, and I would wait to get notification within tomorrow. Okay, confirm via mail, please. Don't text me. You know, it may look very easy for you to text me quickly that we are doing this, you are doing that. It becomes very tedious for me to track texts on WhatsApp. So please confirm me by mail which assignment you have chosen. Is there anybody who has not received my mail? Is there anybody there who has not received? Is there anybody there who has any confusion, needs any clarity? Any question, any query? Okay, so I would take that as on a positive note that well, so hope you are all clear. Seems like so. So all the best, guys. I'm very confident that you would do fantastic things. Just before we part, one more thing which I feel out of place. You know, knowing already that you people are sincere guys, please don't copy paste each other's code. Understand this? If you are cheating, well, it is not helping you. It's going to backfire. When codes look similar, they look similar. Your examiner will find out. So it not only it looks, it, it will backfire on your scoring. It also looks bad on me. If you are cheating, if you are going towards plagiarism, it's my failure somewhere if that happens. So I would take it that way. So although I am very much sure that you people are not going to do that, but just to give you a heads up, please don't do that. If it happens that your examiner is uh, from some external center, which is highly probable, so let's not mm, give him or her a chance to bad spot you. Okay, very well done then. So bye bye. Take care. We will connect again soon. You will get your schedule for mocks. Yes, I would not say, don't tweak your code time and again. I will not want one final best file. Your code file should be showing, it should contain proper codes and it should be evident from your code that you have tried multiple models if you are doing that. ठीक है, whatever you try, model tuning, you may try umpteen number of models, you may try cross validation, whatever you are doing, it should be there on your code. मुझे कैसा पता चलेगा कि 3 मॉडल ट्राई की हो आप? ठीक है, in fact it looks good if you are trying various models and you are then fine tuning them. It's, it looks good on your. Okay, people, very fine then. Signing off. Bye bye. All the best. We will connect for your mock soon enough. Very well. Uh, okay, very welcome.